The great thing about chiropractic care is that it can benefit all ages. One of the most rewarding things that I see in our practice is when we have a pregnant mother come in and we see her through that entire pregnancy, and then she brings her newborn in and has the baby checked.
That's often the first time we see issues with children right from the start. Is they can have a traumatic birthing process, and that can create some misalignments in the spine that can cause very common symptoms like colic, acid reflux, which a lot of children are treated for with medications. Toddlers, they're learning to walk, they're falling often, they're maybe falling off the couch because they're not quite stable enough, or they're learning just to walk and crawl. Things like that. Just as an adult, you can get misalignments from those falls. You can as well as a child.
I was 4 years old in the back seat on the passenger side, and we were going up a hill, and the bus just came out of nowhere. I was told that my spinal cord got messed up and healed wrong and attached itself to my spine.
They had to carry their son in the fetal position because the only way he could communicate that day, that evening, was holding his hands up like this. He held his hands up to signal he was in an 8 out of 10 pain. Took his head in one arm, used an instrument to adjust his atlas vertebra to basically take out that improper rotation. His hands at the moment, right after the adjustment, were over his face, and he was crying. His mom had to pull his hands off his face, and literally she pulled on his arms to get him to say something to her. And Zachary had a smile on his face, and he held up 2 fingers. Over 4 months of a series of adjustments, we got that bone back in alignment. After that point, I mean, he may have had 1 or 2 bouts of pain over the last 3.5 years that I've seen him.
I used to just stay inside in pain while my brothers and sisters would go outside, go swimming, play on the trampoline. Now I can do all that stuff now that I've been going to a chiropractor.